Welcome back with another video. So, if you are facing this issue in Canva or any other site, I will show you how to fix it easily. Let's get started. So first open Setting, now on the left side click on System and enable this second option if it's off. Now type Chrome://flags into your address bar. Then experimental settings will open. Now search WebGL. Now enable these options. Now click on Relaunch. And as you can see, the problem is solved. Thanks for watching. Like the video and comment if it's fixed.